Hey everyone, for this month's WTSO Premium Wine Club, we're all about the Russian River Valley Pinot Noir. So in a prior video, I talked about why the Russian River Valley is so great for cool climate grapes like Pinot. And in this video, we're going to highlight and taste two examples from one of the region's best producers. The Russian River Valley is a subregion in Sonoma, California, and because of its proximity to the Pacific Ocean, has a slightly cooler climate that favors grapes like Chardonnay and Pinot Noir. Some of you probably already know that those two grapes are used in French champagne, and no surprise, Russian River Valley is home to some of California's best sparkling wines. J Vineyards was founded in 1986 with the mission of making traditional method sparkling wines, but they also excel in making exceptional still wines, including Pinot Noir. Similar to Burgundy, the Russian River Valley is known for its individual blocks or parcels of vines. Russian River Pinot really gives you a taste of the land, what the French refer to as terroir. J Vineyards upholds the highest standards for their wines, including hand harvesting the grapes, whole berry fermentation, overall minimal intervention. It's a very traditional old world approach. We've got two J Pinots here. One is a blend of several parcels and one is a single vineyard wine. Now both of these are from the 2016 vintage, which was coming in at the tail end of a very long 4-year drought. That manifests itself in both of these wines as higher alcohol levels. This is the Barrel 16 Pinot from J, and this was sourced from 3 separate vineyards and aged in a mix of new and neutral French oak. Fleshy plum, cranberry, strawberry on the nose, some wet earth, and leather too. Wow, there's a fiery spice and pepper right on the front that gives way to cherries and plum, toasty oak, and there's this persistent spicy finish. So this is a brisk and fiery Pinot, and it's balancing just a handful of signature flavors, but it does it so artfully. So the grapes for this wine right here were sourced from the Foggy Bend Vineyard. And the Foggy Bend Vineyard has one of the coolest microclimates within the Russian River Valley. This one has a real floral perfume, lots of creamy vanilla and toasted coconut, tons of cookberry preserves in that palate there, touch of creme de cassis. It's definitely got a woody mid-palate. And after sitting with it for a few minutes, there's this extended sort of soul-warming finish that fades off into beautiful fresh strawberries. So these two Pinots here from J Vineyards are stellar, and while they do emulate the spirit of Burgundy, the main difference, I would say, is the higher alcohol content. They're both just bursting with fresh fruit flavor, which is pretty amazing considering that they're 7 years old. This is what makes the Russian River Valley and J Vineyards so iconic for Pinot Noir. By the way, if you actually want to taste these wines right here, you still can. And to have high quality wines delivered to your door every month with tons of perks, including a live tasting with me, be sure to join the WTSO Premium Wine Club. I'll see you for the next glass of wine. Cheers, everybody.